Here's a 2017 Fiat 124 Spider. Here you have timeless roadster style with performance to match. Its beauty is undeniable, as is its driving experience. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, and doors and push-button start proximity key. Automobile Explained, the Fiat in each of its versions share with the other car a reassuring balance of ride and handling with a significant degree of compliance going into a tight corner. Live assertively, drive a Fiat. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.